And this is also the script of Sa Pinilian. This is in fact the Bicol translation of a play Father Reuter himself wrote called Second Fiddle. It follows the story of Jose de Leon, or Pepe, who was a basketball player in high school and who was offered a scholarship to go to the United States to play basketball and to study in a university. But he wanted to turn it down because he wanted to enter the novitiate. And obviously the father, who was at that time a soldier, did not agree to that decision. He wanted Pepe to become a soldier of the nation and not of God. The material actually looked like this. Kung meron tayong ganito sa Ateneo de Naga, sabi ni Dr. Alma, ay hindi na natin ito mababasa dahil wala tayong mga microfiche reader. But at least Ateneo de Manila still has a couple of microfiche readers and we were able to magnify the material. So, take a look at this one. Ganito lang po kaliit yung mga pages. Oh. And many of these films, or not films, but microfiche, they were stored already in their storage unit because nobody was using it. Nobody was accessing it for many years. So talagang nasa storage unit na lang siya para may temperature control at hindi siya masira.